Take it from me, user experience is a satisfying, rewarding, and meaningful career. If you're serious about working in UX, the Professional Diploma in UX Design has helped thousands of people start exciting careers as design professionals. Why has it been so successful? Because it's the gold standard in UX education. We've collaborated with some of the world's biggest tech companies to make sure the course is focused on the skills and knowledge that employers are looking for. And we've worked with higher education to ensure the course meets rigorous university standards, giving our students the skills and credentials that stand out in the job market. It's a genuine, high-quality education, the type you won't get in a boot camp. But it's much more than that. It's flexible, an in-depth syllabus broken into bite-sized, on-demand videos you can watch in your own time, wherever and whenever you want. It's buzzing with a thriving community of fellow students, live webinars with mentors and industry insiders, and career coaching sessions focused on getting that job and building standout portfolios. And it's dedicated to your success. Our support team are always on hand, answering questions, grading projects, and encouraging and advising students every step of the way. It's a powerful package. You'll learn to think like a UX designer and adopt a mindset that makes them so valuable. You'll have the confidence that comes from a true, deep understanding of UX. You'll have job-ready skills and a portfolio of work to prove it. And you'll have a university credit-rated certificate valued by employers throughout the world. Everything you need to build a great career in UX.